Hey YouTube, AdamX20 here. Another YouTube orbit day today. Today again I've been busy working with my software a little bit. Mainly what I've been doing is working with Fedora 15. I installed Fedora 15 on one of my computers. It's using the new Gnome 3 shell, which uses the Mutter window management system. And I have my reservations about it right now. I understand that it's like a version 1 release of Gnome 3 and that there will be updates later on. Right now I think it's way too simplified. I can definitely see that they're going for a more mainstream appeal to it. Gnome is also adapting to what's going on in the MeeGo operating system. MeeGo uses Mutter also. Now I don't know if MeeGo is going to start using Gnome 3. MeeGo is it's coded in Qt, or it's going to start using Qt. Which I think is a good thing. I like Qt. I like the Qt libraries and the language and all that Qt can do. But I don't know if they're going to go that direction. They're both using Mutter, so you get some of the same effects. Whereas Ubuntu Canonical went with Compiz instead of Mutter with their Gnome shell, and you know, I can see how that's good. Compiz is a really good 3D engine. It does has a lot for effects. My main reservation, my main concern is with what Gnome 3 is doing, how it's been a little oversimplified in terms. Right now you can't really modify anything, but like I said, you know, I understand that this is a version 1 release of Gnome 3, so you can't really modify much of anything. You can change your background, you can't change your theme unless you add a Gnome tweak tool. So out of the box, you know, a lot of the options that people are going to want to personalize their computer, you can't do it. Not out of the box. You can install some software and do it later. Yeah, that's kind of cool. It increased my boot time, but not. You know, I'm running a quad core with 4 gigabytes of RAM, so it wasn't like a huge big deal. I liked that it had the NVIDIA drivers in the repository, so I could install that without a big hassle. Man, the one thing I despise most about Gnome 3 is to access all of your applications. You have to go to the top right of the screen, excuse me, top left of the screen, and then it opens up where you have this toolbar on the left side, and then this pane with all of your workspaces on the right, and then all of the windows that you have open, or excuse me, all of the programs that you have open in the current workspace. And I hate that, because I have to go like this, and then I have to go over here, and it's just this, it doesn't make efficient what it should. If there were an easy way for me to access the different workspaces, yes. I could enjoy this. You know, I would have different workspaces all the time. I constantly have different workspaces. Virtual desktops is my favorite thing of Linux still, because it adds to productivity so much. I can have so much open. Linux is so light. But I just don't find it efficient. If they could just make it so I could get to workspaces faster, I could enjoy this. And that's the same problem I have with the MeeGo zones, is what they're called. I have to go and I have to click zones, Then I have all of these zones that are, and the way Migo is designed, each program is supposed to take up one zone, you know, and I despise that. I don't want to move my finger up, click a button, and then see all that's open to get to it. You know, I multitask a lot. So if I have 5 windows open, I want to have 5 windows open that I can get to in 2 or 3 clicks, not 1, 2, and then have to jostle around the open programs to get to them. So I think GNOME 3 is a step in the right direction. It's not full. I like the idea of zones. I like the idea of the different workspaces that are in Migo and GNOME. Basically, I think they're a part of Mutter itself. I like the idea. I hate the way that developers are leaving out ease of use tasks or ease of use options. So, not a big fan. Another problem I had is when I'm recording my Minecraft videos, I can't record in full screen. Even if I try to go in full screen, I still have that stupid black bar that tells me what time it is, and you know, it's a pseudo panel that really doesn't get to do much other than show the calendar and show my username and get a middle finger for that idea. I don't like that at all. So yeah, I've been working with Fedora 15. I like it. Like a total idiot, you know, I'm reinstalling Fedora 15. I'm reinstalling my operating system to get Fedora 15 in. I save all of my data except for my Minecraft saves. So I have a Let's Play channel, or I have a gaming channel that I was going to do all of the Let's Plays, and I have all of the videos that I'm downloading, and I was getting ready to start uploading them so I could have all of my videos in one place, on one channel. And I forgot to save my Minecraft worlds, so I have to start all over. So I have 2 worlds, one that I've been playing in to just mess around with and get the settings, get the screen recorder set up, and then another one that I think I'm going to use as my world, and I haven't done much but start it. So I destroyed my Let's Plays. I have to rebuild my monster generator, my drop generator that I saw Brenny Beast make, which is awesome. It's a really awesome monster generator. I'll have to redo it. I can only do it better now that I know what I'm doing. But I got everything else. I have my Pogo plug, and yeah, I love that thing. So I got that thing. I'm gonna get a hard drive. I did not realize how fast disk space disappears when you start recording videos and pictures, and I didn't realize. I think I went through 20 gigabytes in 20 days, over 20 gigabytes. I think I've been going through around a gigabyte a day, just videos and pictures, and I didn't realize that I would do that. So I'm gonna get a terabyte drive as soon as I get the cash flow, and hook that up to my Pogo plug, and then I'll have a man, I think one of them is only 300 gigabytes, and I'll have a terabyte drive, and then my hard drives are around 500 gigabytes. Yep, I don't have a 3D effect today. I've been busy. I don't have one. So no 3D effect today. Nothing special. I got a comment on one of my previous videos about the Vornado fan. Somebody collects Vornado fans, and they saw that really old fan, and they think they might know where it's from. So I'm talking to you right now. I am going to go back into the shop, and I'm going to find that Vornado fan, and I'm going to I'm going to get the serial number for you, and I'm going to send you a reply comment. I don't know, I didn't find it. I will find it, and yeah, I'm glad you're interested in Vornado fans. I honestly didn't know they were so old. I've seen new ones, and they're all plastic, and I thought they were a really cool idea, but I didn't realize that they were as old as they are. So that's cool. Yeah, I guess I'm just gonna go back to working on software. I'm working on Q style sheets. I'd love to show you my UI right now, but it's only partially complete. With style sheets, it's using CSS like declarations to colorize the user interface, and you know, I'll give you a little bit of a teaser. Like, I have a border around the icons in my toolbar, and if you hover the mouse over it, the border changes color, and I can have it so that the border changes color if you click on it. So it's a cool way to add really interesting effects, and I think it's going to turn out really nice. I just need to get the right color scheme and make it look really cool. So that's what I'll be doing today for the rest of the day. And yep, it's been a great day, even though the weather's been really crappy. So I guess I'll see you tomorrow, YouTube, and we'll see what other fun stuff I can do tomorrow for a 3D effect. Bye.